Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some great hip exercises to really help strengthen the muscles on the hips and help with hip flexibility. Now these are very simple exercises. Now if you do want to chair for a bit more stability, that's fine, or even if you want to hold onto a ledge. Now you want to first of all stand nice and straight. Let's just take our shoulders back a bit, and then just set them in place, back nice and straight, and then just placing our hand onto our tummy and just gently breathing in for 3. So we're holding that core and engagement, if you like. Now I'm not wearing any shoes or trainers. Obviously if you're outside, you know you will be, but if you are, that's fine. But if you're not, you just want to make sure that your feet, your toes are nice and spread out for maximum surface area. So first of all, hands on the hips. I'm just placing my foot to the front and then to the side. And we'll do this 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, holding in that core. And one last time. And then come back. And then on the other side. So foot forward, little semicircular there to the side. 2, 3. Again, if you do need a chair or an area, something to hold on to, that's fine. This is also great for balance as well. And one last time, and shake it out. So then once we've done that, let's do a go to the back. So again, semicircular, but this time we're going to come from the side and go to the back. From the side to the back for 2, 3, 4, 6, and 2 more times. Really helping with that flexibility on the hips. And again on the other leg, from the back to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 more times. 1 and 2. And then if you like, you can just get a little wiggle out. So now we're going to do a combination of both and do a semicircular movement. So we're going to come forward with our foot, go all the way to the back, and then come all the way back to the front. So let's do this 8 times. 2, 3, 4, remembering holding in that core, that engagement. And again, if you need to hold on to something, that's fine too as well. And we do this 2 more times. 1 and 2. Shake it out, and then on the other leg, coming forward all the way semicircular to the back, and then to the front again. 2. And you can do this 2 or 3 times a day, or just once a day. And if you want to spend even more time on these movements, that's fine too. 4. And let's just do this 2 more times. Big sweeping motion. And shake it out. Now the other exercise, final exercise we're going to do, is we're going to be lifting our legs up and placing it to the side and then coming back. So for instance, I'm going to lift my knee up, come all the way along, and then lift it up and come all the way back. And then we're going to go to the other leg, all the way up, and then come back all the way back into the centre. And we do this 8 times on each side. This is such a great, again, exercise for hip flexibility and mobility. So lifting up, that is 1 on each side. Coming back, pretending almost that there's a box or something there that you're just having to walk over. So that's 2. And just go as high as you can. You can always build up to the height, if you like, of your hip. You know, what's your limitations. Lifting up, remembering to hold that core. We're halfway there on 4. Lifting up as high as you can. Again, this is really good for balance as well. So now we're on to 6. So we've only got to do 2 more on each side. Again, remembering to spread your toes out if you're barefooted for maximum surface area. And last time. And once we've done that, give it a little wiggle. And then hands onto the hips. You just want to go around in a round circular motion with your hips, just loosening everything up. We've worked hard on the hips. All the way along, and then circular motion the other way, releasing any tight tension. And release. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing for more content and a thumbs up, and please comment down below. Tell me if there's any other exercises or any yoga you'd like me to share with you, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.